This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. When somebody says they sent me an email to my Yahoo address and I'm not seeing it anywhere in the inbox, here are the 3 other places I look for it. So let's get started here. This is Yahoo Mail on a desktop browser. This is the new Yahoo Mail that was introduced in early 2026. And also just a reminder, what I'm about to show you, it's not a guarantee you'll find it, but this is where I would look if I didn't see it in the inbox. So the first place I would look, if someone says they sent me a message and I don't see it in the inbox and I've scrolled through and I can't find it, is I'm going to look at the spam folder. This should be in the left side of your Yahoo Mail navigation bar. So start scrolling through the spam and seeing if it somehow turned up there. And sometimes, even though you can see most of this stuff is just junk, this particular email here, this is actually a legitimate piece of email that was somehow automatically put in the spam folder. So sometimes I find legitimate emails showing up in spam. That's the first place I would look. The second place I would look is the trash. Now you may be thinking, well, I didn't delete the email. I know I didn't delete it. Well, maybe it's possible you accidentally deleted it, but more likely, especially if you use email filters, is you accidentally automatically filtered an email to the trash because it had some keyword or something in it that you set up as irritating. You just don't want to deal with it. So I do have a lot of email filters, and sometimes legitimate emails end up here, even though I don't really want that to happen. So the third place I will look if I don't see the email in spam or trash or the inbox is just use the search field right at the top of Yahoo Mail. Just make sure that any folders are deselected, and then just search, and it will search all over your Yahoo Mail, and maybe you can find it. Note that you should probably be using a phrase that's used by the sender, or maybe even the sender's email address. But that is the last place I would look, is just using the search feature to see if it shows up. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.